Welcome, fam. You ever wake up feeling heavy, not sore, just off? Your center is missing and your breath hasn't caught up. This is the reset for that. Let's hit the mat. We begin by switching the brain back on through movement that demands control, not crunches. Inhale on your back, knees bent at 90 degrees, arms straight above shoulders. Inhale to brace your core. Exhale as you extend your right leg and left arm. Return to center and switch sides. You can feel your core firing, back pressing to the mat. Control and not momentum. Dead bug is a deep core activator. I promise this one move will wake up your abs, reconnect your brain-body link, and anchor your breathing for the rest of the flow. We're about to take this control and drive it into the glutes. Slow it down. Can you hold the extension for 5 seconds? Is your lower back glued down or sneaking up? That just activated your core. Now let's build your base. Strong glutes are more than strength, they're support. They lift your posture and absorb your stress. Feet flat, knees bent, arms by your sides. Press into your heels to lift the hips. Squeeze at the tops, lower slow, repeat. You can feel your glutes squeeze, hamstrings firing, gentle tension in your core. This resets your posterior chain so your lower back doesn't have to overwork all day. I promise this is the shift your posture needed. Weak glutes lead to tight hips and stiff necks. At the top, hold for 5 and squeeze. Are your heels driving down or are your toes doing the lifting? That just built your base. Let's link the upper and lower body. Balance, control, cross-body connection. This move trains it all. On all fours, extend your right arm and left leg. Keep your hips square and core tight. Return to center, then switch sides. You can feel core tension, glute stability, and your shoulder strength building. This isn't just about balance, it's about neural control. I promise it will rewire your coordination and stability by engaging your full kinetic chain. Up next, we'll twist and spiral that strength through your spine. Try pausing for 5 full seconds at full extension. Are you lifting from your center or swaying from your spine? That just synced your movement. Now let's twist it open. Your core isn't just the front. Twisting opens the sides and anchors your breath. Sit tall, legs extended or crossed. Place your right hand behind you, left hand on your right knee. Inhale to lengthen your spine, exhale to twist. Alternate sides. You can feel a rotation in the mid-back, length through the spine, a deep belly breath. Twist, decompress the spine and reset your organs. I promise, this one will make your breath feel brand new. This also activates your obliques and massages your digestive system. Hold the twist, grow taller, twist 5% deeper. Are you forcing the turn or letting your breath guide it? That just cleared your center. Now rise to finish strong. This is your final challenge, coordination, mobility, and breath all in one. Start in a fold, fingertips near your toes, drop your hips into a deep squat, chest open. Then lift the hips back to fold. Repeat with control for 1 minute. You can feel your hips opening, hamstrings lengthening, spine decompressing. This finishes your reset, top to bottom. It trains your body to move better, not just stretch deeper. This move mimics a full human movement pattern, essential for longevity. In the squat, pause, breathe once, then stand tall. Are you staying present or rushing to the next move? That just feels your mobility reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your brain, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that reconnect you to your body, scripted plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.